Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Cooking Nuts, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I make chips masala at home. So these have been like my go-to. Every time I allow myself to go eat out, I order for chips masala and whatever else. So yeah, today I'm sharing the recipe and I hope you like the video. I hope you like the recipe. So let's get started. So we have our potatoes that I have peeled and I have chopped them into these smaller sizes. Fries, chips. Yeah, if you have a chips cutter, then use that for neater shapes. But I used my hands here and they came out perfect anyway. So I'm going to season them with some salt so that they absorb it ahead of time and I don't have to sprinkle in raw salt once they are done. So I will let it sit a while, and as you can see right now, it has produced some water. It means that the Irish has taken up some salt, and yeah, it's good. We are good to go. The longer it stays, the more salt it takes up. So I'm just going to fry them just like that, and the crispier the better, because then you can still taste the chips when you make the masala or when you mix up everything. So when they are just this dry and crispy, you can remove them from the oil and then get onto the masala part. Now on the masala part, I'm going to be using one tomato that has no skin on, a mixture of tomato paste and tomato sauce. I have chopped onions and chopped capsicum. Then I have chopped carrots, and on my spice plate I have 2 Royco cubes, beef Royco cubes. I have masala and some paprika, and then of course I have the chips and some dhania to garnish. So on my pan, I'm gonna add on some vegetable oil, and once it's hot enough, I'm going to go in with my onions first, and I'll fry these on medium heat until they are soft and tender, not burnt, please. So once they are really soft and they have released all the flavors, I'm going to go in with my other vegetables. You can add in as more vegetables as you prefer. And then also, if you can tell about the shapes, I chopped them into the same shapes I chopped my chips so that they match. We don't have circular carrots and the straight fries. So once this is done, also I don't want my vegetables really so cooked, so I'm going to add in the rest of the things quickly, so that by the time everything gets ready, my carrots and capsicum still have their crunchiness to them. So I'm going to mix everything here together. Because the tomato is peeled, it is not going to take so long to cook, or it's not going to give you a headache. And I use the soft type of tomatoes. So I'm going to let this simmer a little bit, and then I'll add in my spices. You can be more creative with your spices. If you're someone who loves some heat, then please add in some cayenne or whatever pepper you want to add in. If you love any flavors, please go on ahead and add them. And then also notice that I've not added the salt. It's because the chips are already seasoned with salt, and then the Royco cubes also already have salt. But if that is not enough salt for you, then this is a stage for you to add more salt. Now once everything here has cooked together, and as you can see it's well incorporated, I am going to go on and add in my chips. And now the chips are in, and the reason I'm using this particular silicone spatula is because it's soft enough and tender on the chips and it does not break them. You can use a wooden stick, but make sure it does not break the chips, because then you will not have the right or a better texture. So mix this up together on completely low heat, and yeah, in a few minutes I mixed mine and left it there for a little bit, like more 30 or 1 minute, 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then they were ready to serve because they are already cooked and the masala is already cooked. It's just a matter of mixing and let everything cooperate together, and then you can be able to serve. So this video was actually sponsored by Jazz Updates, my friend. I'm going to leave her link in the description box. If you're someone who loves to be updated and know what is happening, please go and subscribe to her channel and follow her. So our chips masala is ready, and I hope you save as much money as I'm planning on saving on this particular meal. I know my friends who have lost a regular. So I hope you like this video, and once you try out the recipe, you let me know how it turned out, and I'll see you soon in my next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends if you think they'll like it, and I will see you. Bye.